Welcome to the Teleblog channel. How many times did you have problems with your operating system or problems with your gadgets in general? Very often the great and powerful web gives some old and useless advice, but the real person, an experienced and intelligent one, could really help there. There are communities like this in Telegram, and I'm gonna tell you how you can find them, even though it's not that easy. To begin with, I'll give you the easiest way. Now almost every channel has the so-called Discuss button, which can direct you to the chat you need, and very often I find that users fail to see it or think that it takes somewhere they shouldn't go. In fact, it's very simple. You click the button and you will be redirected to the channel chat where you can discuss or ask what you need. By the way, there are private and open chat rooms. You cannot access a private one unless you have a link to it. But if there's a discussion button, it's the same link that will lead you to the right place. Thus, you can't find the chat if you Google it, but you can easily access it if you have a link on the channel. This was the first and the main way to search for helpful chat rooms. By the way, there is no specific service with all the existing chats and which analyzes them in some way, for example by the number of subscribers or messages. This niche is currently available and you, my dear viewer, can take this opportunity to create some kind of catalog with similar chats. It's actually one fascinating way how you can make money in Telegram, and I have to say I was thinking of doing a catalog like this. In the previous part of the video, I mentioned that, in fact, there's no list of chats in Telegram, however, I did find one. There's a multifunctional bot, chat room moderator called Kombat. It's one of the most popular chatbots. The Kombat has its own chat ranking, but in this ranking, which you can find in the description box by clicking the link, there are only chat rooms that use this very bot. The ranking on the website is based on chat languages and then by the number of subscribers. Today, it's the only ranking in which you can find chat rooms useful to you. It's all about meeting people and chat rooms of some popular channels. So just go through the pages by clicking the link and you might find something interesting and useful to you. A lot of chat rooms in Telegram use Kombat, so I'm pretty sure it's possible to find something. In the meantime, I don't think that's the most effective way yet. The last option to find the right and helpful chat rooms is to use the GeoChat feature. Unfortunately, I must say that this feature is not as popular as it should, but since there is such a feature, I have to mention it. In my previous videos, I told you that GeoChats are the way to make money, like making a group where you can advertise your services. I'm sure that someone around might be interested in your hairdressing or plumbing skills. As you can see, it's possible to find chat rooms in Telegram, but it's up to you whether they're helpful or not. I'm gonna ask you, my dear viewer, to share in the comments some valuable chat rooms in Telegram, so that everyone can find something useful for themselves, or tell me what you wanna see in our next episodes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now, that's what encourages me to keep working. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. It's the Teleblog channel. Subscribe and be trendy.